Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Yes, I have the same thing I had on my last video. I'm cranking them all out today. If you don't know, I just graduated basic training about a week and a half ago. And the very first thing I wanted to do when I get out was get some new boots. Now, the boots that they issue you in basic training are tough. They're not the best quality boots. They're gonna get you through, but they're not comfortable. Half the time they don't fit because the civilians that fit you with your boots take the least amount of time possible to make sure that you're comfortable. Basically, if you can get that boot on and lace it up, you're in and out, in and out, in and out. So yeah, actually I'll show you what they look like. This is what the Army issue boots look like right here. These never got worn. She issued 2 pair of summer boots and 1 pair of winter boots. I only ever wore my 1 pair of summer boots. So yeah, that's it right there. And if you see how thick this sole is and how there's no give whatsoever, and it's very, very hard. I was lucky enough to never get any blisters or have any foot problems, but I know moving forward when I get to my unit and I'm not rucking every day or whatever, I want something a little bit more comfortable. So I went and got the Oakley Light Assault 2 in Coyote. These boots are in AR 670-1, which is the Army regulation on how you wear your uniform. So I'm gonna do the unboxing here. I got these off USPatriotTactical.com. and they were $150 before taxes, and shipping was free. And they got here in about a week after I bought them. And mind you, Christmas was halfway through there, so if you order it anytime not around the holiday, I'm sure they'll get there even faster. So yeah, this is the box. Like an idiot, I kind of ripped the box when I got it, so it's a good thing I don't have to return these and they fit. But yeah, so straight out, here's the boot. I got them in a 5.5. I think the smallest they go is a 5. So if you have baby feet, you might have to get a different boot, like some Nike boots or something. So yeah, here they go. It's got 2 little dents down there. Yeah, if you see the bottom is like, it looks a lot like a sneaker. And, oh, well, it's full of stuff, so it's not giving a whole lot right now. But, yeah, it's got a lot of cushion in there. I do plan on breaking them in a little bit before I report to AIT. But I'm not really worried about it because they're not a stiff boot by far. There's a lot of padding in there. I already put this boot on, so we'll just show this one. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a lot more flexible, and this is before it's even been broken in. So yeah, like I said, I got a 5.5, which is basically equivalent to a women's size 7. Yeah, see, it's still like sturdy enough to withhold some wear and tear, but it's not like this where it's just like super stiff. I'm still gonna keep my summer boots from basic training, just because from what I hear, people like to steal boots in AIT. You don't want to be stuck without any boots, so I'm still gonna keep them, but I definitely will try to not be wearing them. So yeah, these are the boots on first glance. They feel pretty good to put on. This little piece where like the knuckle of your toe goes is kind of uncomfortable, but I'm hoping that'll go away with breaking it in. So yeah, Oakley's Light Assault, and I might insert a clip of them on foot. I might not, but yeah.
Haven't seen you in a while, you know I miss you. face. When you hear this song, feel flattered, it's about your face. And how I miss it, and I wish that I could see it more. But you're in college now, and I'm about to go on tour.
If you have any questions about how these fit, I'm sure by the time I put this video up, I'll have worn them a few times. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I will leave a link to where I got these boots in the description box as well.